Hey Josh, so here's a quick little tip for you with ClickFunnels. So to access the templates, you just go up here, build funnel. Don't know if you might see it a little bit differently. And then here, there's literally like dozens and dozens of funnels that you can choose. So yeah, you want to do a webinar? Host a webinar. So webinar replay, live webinar, you'd probably want the webinar replay as it's like an evergreen style to go through that. But in here, once you get there, you should see something similar to this. So if I just look at auto webinar funnel, select funnel, then bottom here is like a bunch of free templates that you can use. So let's just take, I've actually already done this myself because I use, we package these up for some of our clients. So you can even use some of these if you want as well. But let's look at the JSON auto webinar funnel. So it's all the pages, all the steps already built out for you. You don't need to use all of them. You probably only need two or three, maybe four. One for the registration, one for the confirmation. But have a look and jump through and have a play around. And it's, I mean, you obviously know ClickFunnels, so you can, use it. You can just go in and edit all this sort of stuff. But I mean, super easy. You can go and edit all this sort of thing. It kind of looks a little bit nicer as well than the other webinar funnels. Actually, I'll use my business email. So you'll probably see that I'll get an email from them. So yeah, it's the welcome page. This is where you can do your upsell, or you can plug in obviously your page. I think you've already got the registration page. So a video there of next steps. Download the six-figure blueprint. Bring that to the thing. Come along. You can add to calendar button there, which is really cool. So then that's obviously going to help with stickiness of the event. Let's see if I got an email. Not yet. Okay, I think you'd need to set up all those emails, and you can do that through ClickFunnels as well. So you can just go up here, for example, automation. There you go, there's all these email templates already set up for you. So you can go straight into them. Yeah, so I'll send out the email immediately with the webinar title, confirmation. You can jump in and have a look at them, edit all of them. Well, you might need to play around with your settings and hook that up to your MailChimp. But yeah, they're already all set up there, ready to go. It's just kind of cool. So I'd definitely go on and check that out. I mean, you've got your broadcast room, you've got the replays and the documentation pages. So go and check it out and have a look. Could help out with your registration side of things as well. But take a look and let me know what you think. Oh, and one other thing I just remembered. Another thing that you can do with ClickFunnels is set up like a membership portal. So it's a free membership portal. And if you're going to run your free training, let's have a look and see. For example, a membership funnel. So you can host all your training in there. Same again, you can either build it from scratch or use one of their templates that they've got. And you can host all your modules or each training section on there. And then you can have a landing page that registers people. Once they register, they get access to their membership portal with all the training things in there. And then on the back of that, yeah, that's another way you can upsell your service. So have a little look and have a play around. If you've got any questions with ClickFunnels, let me know. Thanks.